Come make a Bible book that holds the big size candy bars for Harvest Festival with me. You can make the letters by printing the words Bible and cut it out, but since I have a Cricut machine, I'm going to be having my Cricut cut it out using white cardstock paper. Instead of celebrating Halloween, as Christians we celebrate Harvest Festival instead, which is the focus on gratitude for the season's bounty instead of spooky themes. It is a time for community events, games, and food, often celebrated in churches and schools as a way to avoid the darker aspects of Halloween. Some people usually do trunk or treat, but this year our church wanted to do a theme around the fruit of the Spirit, which in Galatians chapter 5 verse 2-3 says, "But the fruit of the Spirit is love, joy, peace, forbearance, kindness, goodness, faithfulness, gentleness, and self-control. Against such things." Sometimes the downfall of using a Cricut machine is that it doesn't always cut neatly, or it just means I need to change my blades. When taking anything off a sticky mat, always pull the sticky mat away from the paper. So since I'm using cardstock, I bend the sticky mat, then peel off the cardstock, that way the paper stays flat and isn't bent. I'm just using an old packaging box that I saved from always ordering stuff online in the mail. I already roughly measured the box before cutting out the Bible word to put on. The box is about 12 by 9 inches. I decided last minute that I wanted to put words on the side of the box as well, like you would see on an actual book. I measured 2 inches, then tested my word I had already cut to see if it would fit there too, which it did. So I had my Cricut recut the same size setting I already had it on. Here is my second set of Bible words. I'm doing this in my room on the bed, so that's why I have a towel down, but all you need is just black paint and glue. I painted the whole box black and left the inside alone, since it's just going to be me opening it to give candy away to people. Then I placed the words where I wanted it to go. I just used Elmer School glue to glue it down. If you want, you can use permanent vinyl as well, whatever works best for you. And that's how I made my Bible book candy bar holder. I'm pretty sure you can make it using the candy box that the candy come in as well. I personally don't like the box how it opens the other way, but that's just my personal preference. Now I'm transferring all the candy into the box, and luckily they all fit inside. Here's how it looks like when I open it and use it at the Harvest Festival. Thanks so much for watching. If you make one too, be sure to tag me. I love to see how you put your own spin on it or if this inspires you in any way.